Hi everyone, Mark here from AmericanAeration.com, and in this short video I want to do a quick review of the Airmax SW20 shallow pond aeration system. The SW20 along with the SW40 are shallow pond directed aerators built by Airmax, and they are very specific to ponds that are 6 feet deep or less. You definitely want to make sure that when you look at a shallow pond aeration system, check out its depth rating. Some may be able to work in a little bit deeper water, but none of these types of compressors that are used in these systems will handle very deep water. In that case, you'll want to look at a rocking piston type system in the Airmax line. That would be their Pond series or PS series of aerators. In this video, we'll talk a little more about the features of the SW20, along with some basic maintenance tips, and we'll talk about one alternative that's on the marketplace as well that you may want to look at that's very similar to the SW20 but not quite as costly. So the SW20 will aerate ponds up to 1/4 acre in size and up to 6 feet deep, but really they should not be used in any deeper water than that for the best performance and longevity. This system is powered by an LR25 linear diaphragm-based compressor. Because of the type of compressor it's using, this is super quiet in operation. The other thing that helps this out a bit is the excellent poly cabinet that comes with the system. It also has some sound dampening capabilities, and it also has a cooling fan built into the cabinet itself, so it keeps the entire internal environment of the cabinet around the pump cooler and affords better operation. Reliability index on the Airmax systems, we rate them around an 8.5 out of 10, being a perfect 10, and 8.5 to 9 would be a more realistic number there. The compressors have been extremely reliable. Cabinet is virtually indestructible. Airline is excellent. The one thing that we do see from time to time with these Airmax stick-based diffusers is occasionally one of these membrane sticks. In this image you'll see the two sticks protruding out of the weighted base plate. Occasionally these will break off. Now they're easy to replace. They simply screw in and unscrew to put in a new diffuser tube, but occasionally through some kind of contact or unintentional abuse, let's say, they will snap off and they occasionally need to be replaced. Now Airmax has always been very, very good with working with these issues under warranty. There's very few times this has come up, but it should be mentioned that whenever it's happened, they've replaced them with no questions asked. It's been very seamless for us and the customers. Speaking of the warranty on these systems, like all Airmax systems, it includes 10 years on the cabinet, 5 years on the airline and diffusers, and 3 years on the compressor. Getting into some specs here. The SW20 with 2 diffusers will aerate up to 1/4 acre of a pond and up to 6 feet deep, as I mentioned before. You don't want to go deeper than that. The kit includes a silent air cabinet and compressor, 200 feet in 2 rolls of 100 feet each of 3/8 inch weighted airline, 2 of the 2 membrane stick diffusers with weighted base plates, fittings, and clamps. Specs on this compressor: it is an LR25 linear diaphragm-based compressor, as I mentioned, 0.43 amps on 115 volts, so it is extremely efficient. Only available in 115 volts, 2.5 cubic feet per minute air output with a 6-foot max operational depth. And take a look at these operational costs. 24/7 monthly operational costs are less than $5 on a 115 volt. That's excellent, very efficient. When we look at maintenance on these diaphragm-based compressors, there is very little to worry about or to do on your part, but there are 2 points of maintenance you want to keep in mind. One is the air intake filter. These filters should be changed as needed whenever they get dirty or a buildup on them. The quality of the air output will be determined by the quality of the air input, and so you want to make sure these air filters are monitored and changed out as necessary. Generally, in some dusty areas, we might see every 3 months, but probably more realistic is 6 months to 1 year at a time. I think Airmax recommends probably changing them every 6 months, And if you keep an eye on it, you may be able to get even more longevity out of them than that in a very clean environment. But that's step number one. And then the second thing that you'll want to keep in mind is usually on a yearly basis, the diaphragms are the air generating component of this compressor. And these diaphragms are basically rubber membrane based, and they will wear down over time. Airmax has rebuild kits for this compressor, and you'll want to consider rebuilding or replacing the diaphragm components. Very simple to do at home, on site, with a few simple tools, and maybe 20-30 minutes you should be able to do it with no problems. And consider doing this on a yearly basis, or at least to the point where the system will run in good order, and then it may stop or stop producing bubbles. You'll want to check the diaphragms as a potential remedy to that issue. So the rebuild kits are available for that. Finally, comparable systems on the market to the SW20 for shallow ponds. There are not many. You may find a number of DIY type options available, which we won't get into here. We do have another video which may cover some of those options for shallow ponds, but commercially speaking, the only other shallow pond system we recommend at this time is the Easy Pro PA6 SWN. It is not as full featured as the Airmax. It doesn't come with a cabinet, doesn't come with quite all the amenities, but it is a good working system for shallow ponds, so consider that as an option. As always, if you have questions on your pond or pond aeration, please do get in touch with us at AmericanAeration.com, and we will be happy to help. Hope you have a great day wherever you are.